Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Pinterest not downloading on your Pinterest app. We will just click here on settings, then we come to settings window here in this window, and we just go down, then we click here on apps, and we come to apps window here in this window, and we just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here in this window. Then you just click here on Pinterest, and it's going to take you to app info window, and you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, then you just go down, you click here on storage, and you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So I wish now you are get it, you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.